Hi madam and I my fellow friends. Today in this video I am going to talk about something interesting and ancient. I am going to give a small speech about traditional medicine. Actually, medicine is a substance that has nutritive, curative or preventing properties, while the term herbal refers to the botanical or plant-based preparation. Traditional medicine refers to health practices, approaches, knowledges and belief incorporating plant, animal and mineral-based medicines, spiritual therapies, manual technical and exercises and prevent illness or maintaining well-being. Such forms and medicines as traditional Chinese medicine, Ayurveda, Kampo, traditional Malay medicine and Unani medicine have been practiced in some areas in the world. In 1999, World Health Organization has published 3 volumes of the HWO monograph on selected medicinal plants. It's reported that over 80% of the global market rely on herbal medicine products. There are also some Asian books about traditional which written by the Atriya Samhita by Atriya and Charak Samhita by Charak. The purpose of the speech is to let people know about how the benefits and advantages of the traditional medicine and Ayurvedic medicine. Okay, let's come to the topic. These are the herbal medicine plants, usage and benefits. Herbal medicine related to botanical medicines, plant research, phytochemistry, phytotherapy, botanical medicines, Ayurveda, natural chemistry, agriculture science, Unani medicine, biotechnology and biochemistry. Herbals such as calamus, basil, cardamom, coriander, fennel, peppermint and spearmint, ginger and turmeric are helpful in promoting good blood circulation. Next, advantage of herbal remedies. First, no harmful side effects will caused by traditional medicines because it is purely made of natural substance. Furthermore, traditional medicines help to utilize the body's natural healing process for treating conditions. The whole process of traditional medicines are mainly focused on improving the body's immune system. Other than that, it is also cost effective. Compared to other medicines like modern medicines, traditional medicines are less expensive. This is because no expensive chemicals or drugs will be used to make traditional medicines. What I am going to tell is now very important because these tips will help us in this current COVID-19 pandemic. These Ayurvedic remedies to beat COVID by boosting our immune system. Medical plants can be supplement for treatment of COVID-19, such as purple cornflower to promising effect against viral infections and turmeric for the cure of the fever. Other than that, black cumin, turmeric, ginger, triphala, moringa, neem, ashwagandha and basil will help us body produce more ojas and keep COVID-19 at bay. In conclusion, these plant-based medicines that may have the potential to boost the immune system as well. Actually, plant-based agents may be useful as a treatment to fight the disease. That is our way of life, and now is the Teco shop. We are going the way of the natural world. Although herbal medicine is used mostly for treating mild and to moderate illness, and participants were aware of its limits, the combination of self-medication, non-expert consultation, and missing risk awareness of herbal medicine is potentially harmful. Okay guys, we are at the end of the video. What I would like to say is, food is medicine and medicine is food. So we should take healthy and greenish food and traditional medicines in our daily life to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Thank you. Bye.